Hello and welcome to our School at Home class in English Grade 10. We are in the fourth quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope that you will be delighted in learning today with lesson number 16. Being a grade 10 student, you will take a basic step towards the world of research. This will allow you to explore different areas where your knowledge and skills will be developed. One of which is composing research report on a relevant social issue through an analysis. Writing a research report requires more than gathering data. It takes careful steps in analyzing the information that a researcher has collected to add relevance and value to his work. Under this idea, forming a well-constructed analysis from the acquired results or data plays a critical importance to the success of such output. After the actual data gathering, presenting the collected information in a systematic and clear way is necessary. The usage of appropriate graphs in showing your data is the best tool to utilize. For instance, figures 1 to 3 are translated into bar graphs so that reading or identifying its content and purpose will be precise and easy to be recognized or understood. Let's take a closer look on this graph. Figure 3 presents the results derived from the survey questionnaire. The indicated question was, how do you cope with stress during this quarantine period? 36% of the respondents said that they spend time playing online mobile games. This item got the highest percentage value. On the other hand, 15% of these respondents said that they spend time reading, and the other 15% said they avoid watching unpleasant news, which happened to be the lowest among the choices in terms of percentage. This graph presents the main content of the research, which deals with the items from the questionnaire about the things that the respondents do to cope with stress during the pandemic period. Among the choices, which one got the highest percentage and which one got the lowest percentage? The correct answer is 180 of the respondents said that they spend their time playing online or mobile games to cope with stress, while 15 of them answered that they read and the other 15 avoid watching unpleasant news. How do these results appeal to you? What comes to your mind? Here is the correct answer. You may come up with the idea that most of the young people would prefer to divert their time in playing online or mobile games, rather than to read or to watch news to cope with stress. Why do you think online or mobile games help young people to manage their stress? Here is the correct answer. This kind of activity allows them to significantly focus their time and divert their attention to temporarily forget whatever causes them stressful feelings. Online or mobile games also enable the respondents to be someone else because of their character role-playing nature, making them detached for a while from themselves. What about for the items which earned the lowest percentile value? What are your thoughts? These items reveal that the respondents are lesser interested in reading and in watching news. These formulated ideas about the result of the research are what we call analysis, from which you can categorically write below a figure or graph and in a separate paragraph after each figure was shown. To analyze means to break a topic or concept down into its parts in order to inspect and understand it, and to restructure those parts in a way that makes sense to you. In an analytical research paper, you do research to become an expert on a topic that you can restructure and present the parts of the topic from your own perspective. What have you observed with the cited example? The example shows the explanation or description of the graph was shortly and precisely written below it. In the concept of injecting an analysis in a research report, how should an analysis section be written? Here are a few of the fundamentals. Discuss the strong and weak points. And discuss the effect or impact. What about the results? How should results be written? Show the most relevant information in graphs, figures, and tables. Include data that may be in form of pictures, artifacts, notes, and interviews. Present results with a short discussion explaining them at the end. Now, it's time to put everything to application and see how much you have learned today. The graph shows data about the age bracket and group of people who are more exposed in stress. Analyze the graph. Do the thumbs up if the statement is correct and thumbs down if the statement is incorrect. Ready? Let's do this. People aging 51 to 60 are lesser stressed than those aging from 0 to 10. The correct answer is a thumbs down. People aging 11 to 20 are more stressed than those aging from 41 to 50. It's a thumbs up. People aging from 31 to 40 are the most exposed ones from stress. It's a thumbs up. People aging from 21 to 30 are the next highly exposed to stress. It's a thumbs up. People have tendency to be exposed in stress regardless of their age. It's a thumbs up. Very good. Now let's wrap up our lesson today. When writing a research report, don't forget that a research report requires more than gathering data. It takes careful steps in analyzing the information that a researcher has collected to add relevance and value to his work. Under this idea, forming a well-constructed analysis from the acquired results or data plays a critical importance to the success of such output. After the actual data gathering, presenting the collected information in a systematic and clear way is necessary. The usage of appropriate graphs in showing your data is the best tool to utilize. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson!